Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, which airs at 4 o'clock every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So for you today, we have creamy tomato shells. What you want to do is you want to start this recipe off by cooking up 1 pound of Italian sausage. Mild or hot, your choice. Basically, you just want to cook it over a medium heat, lid on, and of course, chopping it up as we go. And don't worry about the little bits on the bottom. We're going to deglaze them off real nice like. So just give this a chop and we should be ready to go. The end product should resemble something like this. Take about 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see, I took out the sausage and we're deglazing with some nice Merlot. Or, whatever red wine you want, but I would go on the drier side. I also added 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to go until this melts. And I've added 2 shallots that I chopped up. Okay, and you want to basically give the shallots a couple of minutes to cook in the red wine mix. Do kill the heat a little bit to, about medium, low, medium. And you want to give them, 2 minutes till they start to, just soften up. They're a lot quicker than onions. And then 1 28-ounce can of crushed San Marzano tomatoes. All right, and then we want to add at least a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And you want about a half a cup of heavy cream. Then you want to give this a little old stir and mix everything together. And then I would give this mix a couple of minutes to kind of blend together a bit. And by now you should have a pot of water at least started getting heated up. And salt and pepper to taste. Again, be a little conservative with the salt because the canned tomatoes are quite salty. But be liberal with the pepper. And then, once again, give this about 5 minutes to kind of blend together and simmer a little bit. Okay, the sauce has been simmering, and the shells are done. Again, always go 1 minute below the al dente package recommendation. And then you just want to stir this sumbitch around. And make sure everything's all mixed together. And then now we're ready for serving. All right, we got our shells in a bowl. Just got one little thing to do, and that's dust it with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And again, this is also why you want to watch the salt in the pasta, because Parmesan is quite salty too. So just grate some freshly grated Parmesan over that. Top with some freshly chopped chives. And that's it. Creamy tomato shells. Done.